but welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. Now in this video today, I'm doing a bit of a Coach haul. I actually have 3 new bags and a pair of shoes from Coach. I have become a Coach girly. Okay, they have been that girl for quite some time. This is a true unboxing. Everything is still in their boxes. We're gonna open them up together and see what we have inside. So one way that I make shopping like this more affordable is that I use Rakuten. Rakuten makes shopping online better because they give you cash back on your purchases if you use the link provided on their website. I have gotten back over, I wanna say $1,100 in the time that I've been using them by using their link to make my purchases. And I use their link for each of these products because I wanted to get everything and get a little cash back on my purchases. If you guys want to check them out, I will link them below. This isn't sponsored. Sometimes to get cash back, I'll have to go through a different retailer to get the Coach item that I want. So for this particular item, I went through Macy's. So here is the first item that I have, which are a pair of shoes. Can you guys take a guess as to what I got? This is so like out of character for me, but these have been so trendy that I have to get them. Oh, they're so adorable. And here is what they look like. They are so cute. They have the little Coach C on them. The leather feels amazing. They even have like the little carriage thing that they're known for. But here is what the shoe looks like. These little dad sandals will go with so many different things. I could see you dressing them up, dressing them down, wearing them with like little dresses like this. If this is like a dress that had black in it, I would definitely wear it with this, wear it with shorts, wear it with jeans. So cute. I know it's almost the end of summer, but these shoes, I don't think they're going out of style anytime soon. I love the fact that the hardware on these shoes is all matte black because I have like a handbag with silver hardware and gold hardware and black hardware, and these shoes will go good with all of them. These are gonna be so comfy and so cozy with the cute white pedicure sticking out. So I'm happy about the shoes as my first item. But here is what this one looks like. Open it up. This one I got directly from Coach. Ooh, I like this. I usually get like Coach Outlet or Macy's or Nordstrom or something like that, but this is what it looks like when you actually buy directly with Coach. How adorable. Look at that beautiful leather, the nice brushed gold on the hardware. Absolutely beautiful. And here is the strap for the bag. It's not a pillow tabby like the ones I have, but this one is a nice tabby with the little C. Can't wait to wear this bag crossbody. So you guys see the leather is nice and pebbled. Really great quality. The bag feels nice and sturdy. It's more of a structured bag. Even though I love the puffiness of the pillow tabby, I also like the fact that this leather is going to be more durable. I won't have to baby this bag as much, and I'll definitely be able to wear it as a shoulder bag and also as a crossbody. And because the hardware is gold, like I said before, it's going to look great with the dad sandals that I just got. So the next item that I have comes in this like mailer. I think the only place that sends you items in this mailer like this are when you get them from the Coach Outlet. So I got a little tiny bag from the Coach Outlet. And here's what it looks like. Let me get all this out of here. So here is this little mini matte black crossbody bag. It's super small, kind of fits in the palm of my hands, and I love the fact that it doesn't have any of the hardware. It's all black. You can wear this with anything, with your gold, with your silver. It is a nice little crossbody bag. I like a little mini bag like this, especially when my husband and I go to games. We're going to a baseball game next week. We're going to a football game next month. We got season tickets for the Hawks. Like, we do a lot of sporting events, and a little mini bag like this is great to go crossbody. You can wear this with like my Dunks and my Adidas Sambas and all of that. This is going to be amazing. I like this little bag. It's a nice, it kind of reminds me of like a box leather, but a nice smooth leather. I like the little tag that it has right here. This bag would be perfect for adding like a bag charm or something to it, or maybe even changing the strap. You can wear this bag crossbody. The strap is inside, but it's perfect for sporting events or when you want to be hands-free when you are shopping. So the last item I'm going to share with you guys is the item I'm most excited about. I don't know it, but there's a chance this bag may scratch my itch for wanting a Chanel bag. It's not a Chanel. It's probably a 10th of the price of a Chanel, but if it gives me all the feels, I'm gonna be excited. And even if it helps me to realize that I still want a Chanel, then we'll see. But anyway, here is the bag. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Now it's a bigger bag than what I usually go for. It's in the Coach bag, but I still want it. I still wanted it. And let's take a look at it together. Get off of her. Oh, get into it. I'm almost speechless about the quality of this bag. I love the fact that this bag is inspired, I feel like, by a Chanel bag, but it's not trying to be it. It has enough differences, but I love how amazing this bag feels. The leather is super soft and plush. It has a little pocket in the back for you to slip your phone, and when you open, it's a magnetic little closure to keep your phone secure. I love the chains on here. They have a little weight to them. I do have a Chanel bag. I do have a Chanel Timeless CC, so I can say that the chain on that is heavier than this, but this is still a good weight on this chain. Then when you open it up, it has this little flap right here. Has plenty of room inside. And then right here it says the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather. It says Coach right here. The leather feels amazing. This bag is less than a tenth of the price of a Chanel. And especially with everything that I've been hearing about Chanel's quality going down, and they're mass producing the bags, if you want a nice, genuine leather bag that gives you the look and feel without breaking the bank, this might be it. I can't wait to wear this. Now, the reason why I got it in the silver hardware and not the gold is I feel like sometimes the gold could be a little bit more dressy, and I don't want to only be able to wear the bag on dressy occasions. I feel like silver is a bit more casual. I can wear this with like jeans, crossbody with some sweats or something like that with a sweater. I feel like I can wear it like that. But I love all of the bags and the shoes, but you guys let me know which item was your favorite. Do you have this bag? Have you been eyeballing it? I feel like it is worth the money. I want to say this bag retails for $550, but I got the bag when it was having, I want to say 10% off cash back with Rakuten. So I ended up paying like $500 for it because of the cash back. But this bag, she is stunning. All right, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this Coach haul. Let me know in the comment section below which item was your favorite. I'll be sure to link everything that I showed you guys below so you guys can check it out if you want to get it. Like I said, definitely sign up for Rakuten before you do, because you might want to get a little bit of cash back, okay? These items can be a little pricey, so who doesn't want to get a little money back when you shop? All right, and that's pretty much it. If you like this video, you'll love my last one. I'll do you a favor and I'll link it for you right here. Be sure to subscribe right here. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.